So today I want to introduce you to a new piece of technology designed for your health. So this is the Wellue O2 Ring. It works similar to how a traditional oximeter works, but instead you wear it like a ring, which is more comfortable and will not fall off your finger whilst you're asleep. And here is the box. So quite a serious product here. At the end of the day, when technology like this comes, we should share it with the people to show them what is out there, especially if it can improve the quality of your sleep. If you're suffering from asthma, pneumonia, COPD, snoring, or sleep apnea, this product has been tried and tested to improve the quality of your sleep. So we've got an instruction manual, 1-year warranty card, and if I pick this flap up, here is the ring itself. I'll put it to the side for now, see what else we get in the box. A micro USB charging cable. Now the ring itself has a plastic display on top and the sides are made from a rubberized plastic, and you do have one single button which I just pressed, and you can see it shows the time and battery. So you basically slip this on your finger. You can put it on your index finger or your thumb, but you cannot use it on your middle finger. I'm just going to slip this on my index finger first of all. It's a nice comfortable fit. It doesn't feel too loose or tight. One size fits all. Now you can actually charge the watch up from a latch on the side. So when you open the latch, you will see a micro USB charging port. So you can go ahead and charge it up using the included cable. But this cable will also double up as a sync cable for PC. So if you wanted to download the PC software and you wanted a more detailed report, you simply hook this up to the PC and all your data will be downloaded to the software and away you go. Now on the side you will see a constant red light. So that's telling you that it is constantly tracking your heart rate, tracking your blood sugar levels. You've got an elasticated feel and it does feel quite comfortable. So straight away, O2 Ring can automatically track and monitor your blood oxygen levels and heart rate and also body movements. Now another plus point is this product is FDA listed. So that means it's medical grade and uses the same transmissive oximetry technology which is trusted by hospitals and clinics. Now the traditional oximeter which you just slip on your finger costs thousands of pounds or dollars. The O2 Ring is more advanced. It has many more features. It won't fall off your finger whilst you're sleeping, but it's a much more affordable product, something me and you can buy and monitor our health at home quite easily. Now, just to be clear, this is not a fitness tracking ring, so don't expect a pedometer, step counter, or anything like that. The Wellue O2 Ring is predominantly designed to check your heart rate and blood oxygen levels. So as mentioned before, this ring will benefit those with asthma, pneumonia, COPD, snoring, and sleep apnea. Now, whilst you're sleeping, if there is any abnormalities detected in your breathing or heart rate, you will immediately be alerted with a silent vibration alarm, allowing you to then change your sleeping position, so effectively improving your sleep quality and helping you with these sleep-associated disorders. Now, the ring itself is very light. It's only 15 grams, but I will let you know the dimensions. It's 1.5 inches in height, 1.2 inches wide, and 1.5 inches in depth. The O2 Ring is IP24 water and dust resistant, so it can withstand a few splashes, but it's definitely best to avoid water totally whilst you've got the ring on. Now, more technical information, you've got a built-in rechargeable battery which will give you around 12 to 16 hours of constant usage. There is also a built-in memory, so it can automatically record and save up to 4 sessions consisting of up to 10-hour sessions. So ideally, 4 sleep sessions can be recorded in the internal memory. Then when you connect it to the smartphone app, it would then download all of your health data. Now, there is a smartphone app called vHealth, and it's available for both iOS and Android devices. And one very useful feature is the ability to zoom in to your report to get a more detailed idea of exactly when an abnormality occurred. Now, there is also a software for both PC and Mac, allowing you to print and share reports with doctors, providing detailed professional reports in CSV formats, analyzing the trends of overnight blood oxygen levels, heart rate, and body movements. So a very well thought and well designed product. I've actually researched into this before I decided to share it with you guys. Now, there are actually a lot of people out there who suffer from some sort of sleep disorder. Some of them haven't been diagnosed, so they don't go to the doctor. They don't even know that they have an issue. One of the symptoms of sleep apnea is actually snoring. So if you haven't snored a good part of your life and now all of a sudden you start snoring, it's not because you're tired. It could be because of breathing difficulties. So that's something that you should definitely look into. Health is not something we should take lightly. Now the screen does time out by itself to conserve battery, but it carries on logging your blood oxygen and your heart rate. Now, if you tap the screen at any time, it will show you the battery level and the current time. Now, I do want to quickly show you the smartphone app. Here is V-Health. So installing it is quite straightforward. And it says add a new device. O2 Ring has already been detected because it's always on. So the ring is never off. As soon as you put it on your finger, it continues to work. You can't really turn it off. Here's the dashboard giving you live readings. So SpO2, your blood oxygen at the top and heart rate at the bottom. Just to make sure we're getting an accurate heart rate, I am going to pull out my smartwatch. This is the Galaxy Watch Active 2. And we're about to test out the heart rate. So that's the live reading there, 98, measure. And we are testing it out against the Galaxy Watch, which is supposed to have a very accurate heart rate sensor too. Let's see what we get. 102 beats for the ring, and you can see we've got 100 beats per minute on the watch as well. Definitely accurate heart rate sensor on the ring. Now quick look at the settings. You've got SpO2 reminder, and if I tap on the 88%, you can change the threshold. So you can turn reminders on and off for your blood oxygen. You can change the threshold. It's set on 88% right now. You can change that to a higher or lower accordingly. Now I'll leave it on the default settings. You've got heart rate reminder. Again, you may want to switch that on because it's off at the moment. So this will remind you if your heart rate is either below 50 or above 120. And the alert you will get is a silent vibration. Now, device vibration intensity. You can have it medium, strong, very strong, or very weak. Now, if you're suffering from sleep apnea, you may want to turn the vibration a bit higher, because if your breathing has stopped, you want to kind of wake yourself up and let yourself know. And right now I can feel that vibration. That was a pretty strong vibration. I'm going to leave mine on strong. Now over here you've got screen mode. You can have standard or always on. Now screen brightness, that's low brightness, medium and high. Now to be honest, I can get away with low brightness. No problem at all. I can still see everything on that display. It just means I'll have a better battery life. So there you have it, guys. A very well-made, well-designed product. This is the Wellue O2 Ring. Now, my heart rate of lately has been quite high than usual. I am quite active. It is quite strange, so I am using this product myself. So I'm keeping track of my sleep, my health, my heart rate, and seeing what's going on overall. The reports are very easy to read. It downloads the reports very quickly, and it works seamless. So a great product, very well made. I absolutely love how user-friendly it is, and a lot of people will benefit from this product. It doesn't cost a lot of money. It is affordable, especially when you consider the health benefits. Now, if you frequently stop breathing at night, this is going to save you. This is going to alert you, wake you up, and it's going to allow you to change your position and effectively get a better night's sleep. So kudos to Wellue for creating a product for the people. Now, what I like about the ring is it's secure. It's not moving around while I'm sleeping. I don't feel it. If I push it down against the bed, it's not going to hurt me from any angle. So there's no plastic bits sticking out that's going to hurt you or that's going to make you feel uncomfortable. It's just a pure silicone type material, which does feel very comfortable. So before you go to sleep, slip it on, and you don't even have to press any buttons. It works straight away. Of course, do make sure you have a full battery, and you can check that by simply tapping the circle, and it will show you the battery level and the local time. And seeing what this could do, there's no way I was going to ignore this product. It had to be featured on the channel, and hopefully this helps raise awareness. If you didn't know this existed and it's something that you can use, then I'm definitely happy that I was able to introduce you to this product. If you have any questions, feel free to ask them in the comments, and I'll do my best to respond to you guys as soon as possible. Meanwhile, the links of this product will be in the description so you can check it out for yourself. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you all have a brilliant day. I'll see you guys in the next one.